You know what time it is. It's time for my favorite topic, budgeting. It's time to take control of your finances and reach your financial goals. Pay attention and watch this video and learn step by step a process to creating a budget that will help you save money, pay off debt, and achieve your financial dreams. Creating a budget that works for you specifically is an important step in achieving your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or just trying to make ends meet, a budget can help you stay on track and make the most of your money. Not all budgets are made equal though. Here are 5 steps on how to create a budget that works for you. Step 1, gather your financial information. Before you can create a budget, you need to know how much money you have coming in and going out each month. Gather all your pay stubs, bank and credit card statements, and bills to get a clear picture of your income and expenses. It's also important to know any irregular income or expenses you may have, such as bonuses or seasonal expenses or any additional income that might be coming in. Step 2, categorize your expenses. Once you have all your financial information, start categorizing it. For this, I use Quicken, but for the purpose of this video, I'm using a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So this would be things such as housing, your mortgage or rent, transportation, food, and entertainment. This will help you see where your money is going and where you might be able to cut back. It's important to be specific when categorizing your expenses. For example, instead of just listing groceries as a category, break it down further into groceries, eating out, coffee shops, etc. This will give you a more accurate picture of where your money is going. Step 3, make a plan. With your expenses categorized, you can start to make a plan for how you want to spend your money. This might include setting a specific savings goal, paying off debt, or cutting back on unnecessary expenses. Be sure to include both short-term and long-term goals in your plan. You get it. Step 4, review and adjust. No budget is perfect, and you'll likely need to adjust it as your income and expenses change. Review your budget regularly and make changes as needed. For example, if you find out that you're overspending on eating out, you may need to cut back on that category and allocate more funds to your savings. More so, this is a good time to look at yourself in the mirror and work on self-control when it comes to your budget. That's 10, but it's step 5. Stick to it. The most important step in creating a budget that actually works for you is by sticking to it. Once you've made a plan, do your best to stick to it. If you find that you're having trouble sticking to your budget, try using budgeting apps or tools to help you stay on track. Also, it's important to be flexible and adjust your budget as needed. So don't get discouraged if you slip up. It happens, but don't let it continue to happen. In addition to the stuff that I've already talked about, there are additional things that you should keep in mind when creating a budget. Like, for instance, being realistic. Don't set unrealistic budgeting goals that you know you won't be able to stick to. Start small and gradually increase your budget as you become more and more comfortable sticking to it. This will slowly increase the saving size of your budget. Track your progress. I like to see my wins and my milestones, as it pushes me to keep wanting to grow. So if that's something that you like to do, keep track of your progress and celebrate your successes. This will help you stay motivated and on track. Be mindful of your spending habits. Be aware of your spending habits and try to make changes to them. For example, if you find out that you're spending too much unnecessary money on dumb expenses, try to find a way to cut back. Creating a budget takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. With a budget in place, you'll be able to take control of your finances and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching this video. Remember, creating a budget takes time and effort, as I said before, but it's worth it in the long run. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to review and adjust your budget regularly and stick to it. That's important. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for great content and tips. As always, thanks for watching.